Hello all, I am PW English working as an assistant professor at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon in Mechanical Engineering Department. So today we'll discuss the force exerted by the jet on the moving plate. Okay. So case number 1, force on the vertical plate moving in the direction of jet. So figure shows a jet of water striking a flat vertical plate moving with a uniform velocity away from the jet. Let V be the velocity of jet, U be the velocity of flat plate, A be the area of cross section of jet. In this case, jet does not strike the plate with a velocity V, but it strikes with a relative velocity V minus U. Therefore, relative velocity of jet with respect to plate is V minus U. You see, in case of fixed flat plate, the plate velocity is 0. But here, plate is also moving along with jet. That's why the plate with which, the velocity with which plate is moving is nothing but relative velocity. So it is difference between velocity of jet and plate velocity. It is V minus U. This is very important. You see the case here. The plate is moving with velocity u. Okay. So when the jet strike on the plate, it will moving with what? V minus u. That's why the mass per second will be what? Rho A. The mass of water striking the plate per second will be rho into area of jet into velocity with which jet strike the plate. So velocity with which jet strike the plate is V minus u. This is very important. In case of fixed plate, it was rho A into V, because the plate velocity was 0, but here plate velocity is u, so that's why it is rho a into v minus u. Okay, there now you apply the impulse momentum principle for the moving plate, okay, in the direction of jet. What is impulse momentum principle? F dt equal to m into dv, that is F equal to m by dt in bracket change in velocity. So m by dt is mass per water, mass of water striking per second. So it is rho a in bracket v minus u. So initial velocity with which water strike is what? V minus u. And final velocity in x direction is 0. Okay. So you are getting fx as rho a v minus u square. Okay. Now in this case, work will be done by the jet on the plate as plate is moving. For stationary plate, work done is 0. Okay. So you are getting fx as rho a v minus u square. Now it is work done. So what is work done? It is force into distance in a direction of force upon time. So distance in a direction of force upon time is nothing but plate velocity u. So it is Fx into u. So it is rho a in bracket v minus u square into u. Okay. Now next, if the rho is 1000 kg per meter cube, so work done will be in Newton meter per second. Now since here you see, since you are getting work, so there will be efficiency also. Okay. So efficiency of system for a moving plate which is held normal to the jet. So it is work done per second upon kinetic energy per second. What is work done per second? It is rho a, you see here, rho a v minus u square into u. Okay. So rho a in bracket v minus u square into u. What is kinetic energy of jet? It is 1 by 2 m into v square. What is m here? Rho av. You should not make yourself confused between what this rho av and rho av minus u. Rho av minus u we are taking after the jet strike the plate, but before jet strike the jet, it will issue from the nozzle. So it is what? Rho av. So it is rho av into v square. Okay. So rho a will be get cancelled out. So you are getting what? 2 in bracket v minus u square into u upon v cube. Okay. So what is v minus u square? It is v square minus 2uv plus u square into u. So finally you are getting 2 by v cube v square u minus 2u square v plus u cube. So equation is what? 2 by v cube u v square minus 2u v u square plus u cube. So for maximum efficiency, you have to differentiate this with respect to u. Okay, so by differentiating, you are getting this as a 2 by v cube v square minus 4uv plus 3u square equal to 0. Okay. Now 2 by v cube is not equal to 0. It is not possible to have a jet velocity 0. So that's why you can equate this equation as a 0. So v square minus 4uv plus 3u square equal to 0. So you are getting what? In one bracket, what are the roots of this equation? V minus u and v minus 3u. Now if you are taking v equal to u, so velocity of plate equal to velocity of jet. Okay, so plate will not move. So therefore you consider this v minus 3u equal to 0. Okay, so therefore here if v equal to u, there is no work done by the jet on the plate. Therefore v equal to 3u. So by putting v equal to 3u in efficiency equation, you are getting maximum efficiency as 2 upon 3u cube in bracket 3u square u minus 2u square 3u plus u cube. So finally you are getting 8 by 27 u cube upon u cube. So maximum efficiency is how much? 30%. Okay. So in short, if you are using the flat plate, you are getting efficiency how much? 29.63. So this question was asked in exam. Prove that efficiency of system for the moving plate held normal to the jet is 8 by 27. Okay. Now next. Now force exerted on the inclined plate moving in a direction of jet. So we have discussed force exerted on inclined plate which is fixed. In the similar way, we will discuss this. So again here you see the jet with which strike the plate will be v minus u. This is Fn component. Okay, so I am showing here Fn component. This will be theta, the angle between plate and this is plate and jet. Okay, so this will be 90 minus theta. This is theta. This is Fy component. This is Fx component. Similarly, you can have components of v minus u. This is v minus u. This is v minus u cos theta, and this is v minus u sin theta. I want to know Fn, then Fx and Fy. Okay, so this is what the inclined plate which is moving. Correct. So let v be the absolute velocity jet of water, u be the velocity of plate in a direction of jet, a be the cross-sectional area of jet, and theta be the angle between the jet and plate. So relative velocity of jet of water is what? V minus u. Correct? So velocity with which jet strike is nothing but V minus u. Therefore mass of water striking per second is what? Rho into A in bracket V minus u. Okay. Now if the plate is smooth, velocity at outlet also V minus u. Now Fn component is what? By applying impulse momentum principle, mass striking per second in bracket, initial velocity in the normal direction minus final velocity in the normal direction. So it is rho A in bracket V minus u. It is V minus u sin theta. Okay. So normal component is what? Here you see. This is what? Normal component. V minus u sin theta. Okay. So therefore, you are getting yes rho A in bracket V minus u square sin theta. This normal force again can be resolved into two components, Fx and Fy component. Okay. So what is Fx? It is Fn sin theta. So you are getting rho A in bracket V minus u square sin square theta. What is Fy? It is Fn cos theta. So rho A V minus u square sin theta into cos theta. Now it is work done. It is Fx into u. Okay. So finally you are getting rho A V minus u square u into sin square theta. Okay. Now we'll solve. We'll solve the numericals in next video. Okay. So we'll stop here. Thank you.